My name is Alexis Rentas-Quiles. I am the lead faculty member here for the Crime Scene Technology and Forensic Investigations Bachelor Program at Keiser University Orlando, and I'm also an alumni from the same program that I now get to teach. What makes our program great is that we offer courses that are catered to crime scene investigation. So things that you may see on your favorite TV show, going under the tape, taking photography, collecting evidence. These are skills that real-life investigators like myself have done in my field and investigators do to this day, and the students are able to not only learn these skills but interact with them in hands-on practical exercises. We do constant mock scenes to build their confidence so when they graduate they have the essential skills to become an investigator or work in any part of the field of forensics. Keiser University has a motto of students first, and I truly think that they supersede that. When I was a student here, I not only was supported by my home campus, but the entirety of the university. I had so many opportunities to grow, not only as a student, but volunteering on the campus, becoming a student ambassador, and being able to just do more than just come in and sit down for my class time. Being a student here gave me flexibility to learn, especially from month to month. Having a class a month really helped me with my learning style and gave me an edge above many of my peers. By the time I was able to graduate, I had a job offer within 6 months, which is typically for forensics, it takes about 1 to 2 years. It is most likely one of the most unique forensic programs in the state of Florida. The hands-on approach, the class structure, and being able to, you know what, instead of sitting here for a lecture, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna work a burglary, we're going to work a death scene. Being able to recreate and having that exposure for the students, that is arguably one of the most unique things of any program, and that's why I chose Keiser as a student. Our students have chosen Keiser, and hopefully many of you will join Keiser as well for forensics. If you love true crime, if you want to be a part of something that sometimes can be a little bit bigger than us, if you want to work in law enforcement but you don't necessarily want to be an officer, if you want to work in the legal field but you don't want to be a lawyer, this is that kind of happy place in forensics. There are so many subspecialties that are looking for passionate, young, driven individuals, and if you feel that calling, then this would be the program for you.